Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my XREXS large digital wall clock with remote control. I was gifted this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it all opened up and I will show you how it turned out. This set comes with the wall clock, which also includes two AAA batteries. It also has the instruction manual, the charger, the remote control, as well as a template for the mounting holes. This template is really helpful to know where to place the screws on the wall if I wanted to mount the clock on the wall. The digital clock has an extra large 17-inch display. The digits on the clock are fairly large as well, at around 4.8 inches, which makes it large enough to see easily anywhere across the room. The large size of the clock makes it a great option for all kinds of settings, such as a classroom, maybe the gym, stores, garage, office, and of course at home as well. It is especially helpful for seniors or those who are visually impaired to be able to see the large digits on the clock. The clock displays all kinds of different information, such as the time, date, month, the day, and the temperature. There are two ways to make adjustments to the clock, either with the buttons on the back of the clock or with the remote control that comes with it. I can change the color to either pick just one solid color, or I can have a few different colors that I alternate. I can also adjust the brightness to my preference with 4 different brightness display levels. I really like how it is multifunctional, and I can either use it as a regular clock, as an alarm clock, or even as a timer if I wanted to. And the 2 AAA batteries serve as a backup in case any power outages that might happen. Overall, this is a great digital clock with a large display, and it has multiple functionalities that we can use for a variety of purposes. If you are in the market for a large digital clock, either for yourself or as a gift, don't forget to take a look at this.